Open Inday. Yan, may ano pa. Heaven, chocolate. Oh, two chocolate.
Tay, one for me, one for you.
Yeah, but unfortunately, I can't eat that.
Yeah, but when my cough is done, I can eat it.
Mm.
And no for Nana, because there's no third donut.
Oh no. Diyos, Davao del Sur, nandito. Oh, Canada! Ayan mga par. Hyundai oh. Malamig kasi mga par, no? -1 pa rin. Kahit ganito na, wala nang snow. Tanggal na lahat. Dito, mabilis na matunaw. Pero yan. Haba kami ng bus, 5 minutes. Bali, 2 bus kami. Hindi na kami maglalakad doon mga par kasi ganun din naman. Magtatap ka rin naman ng ano doon. Sa bus. O, dito na lang, 5 minutes na lang naman. Hintay kami ng 5 minutes. O, 2 bus, baba ulit. Tapos usakay ulit ng isa pang bus para doon sa school nila. Mga par, may bago ngayon no, yung processing ng student permit mga par, no, study visa. Mas pinabilis na mga par, no. Tignan nyo sa ano mga par, tignan nyo sa canada.ca kasi nakalagay na doon, no. Nakalagay nyo, no. 2 weeks processing na lang mga par ang study visa ngayon. Napakabilis na, no. Mas pinabilis nila ngayon. Pero yun nga, kailangan masteral or doctorate or PhD yung kukunin mo mga par, no? And syempre 16 plus months o yung program na kukunin mo. Yan, para madala mo yung family mo, no? So, napakagandang balita yan mga par kasi yun, 2 linggo na nga lang, no? So, napakabilis nila i-process na ngayon ang study permit, di katulad sa amin no, na matagal, no? Kung di ako nagkakamali, 5 months mahigit, no? Kulang 6 months. Pero ngayon mas pinabilis na nila. Pero syempre ang ano niyan mga par, no, ang qualification niyan is mahirap din syempre, no. At may mga requirements na mga par, no. Tignan nyo, no. Kung may bala kayong pumunta rito sa Canada, no. Maganda rin yung masteral saka doctorate. Tignan nyo kasi yan talaga, no. Study visa talaga pinakamabilis na makaano rito, pasok dito. And madadala mo pa yung family mo. No, hindi makapagtrabaho nga yung husband. Ang ano lang mga par, kailangan mo talaga ng pera pag study visa ka, no. So, aralin nyo mga par kung kaya nyo, no, kung kaya ng budget, no, kung mayroon kayong enough na funds po. Let's go. Thank you. Inday, let's go here. You have to go that way. The other side. You have to go that way and then go there. Press. Yeah. Ang puso ko'y nalilito. Oh. 7-6. Okay, press again. Tak. Kailangan pa naman tumawid sa kabila mga par. 2 ano pa. Kaya mahirap pagka talagang maraming snow. Kasi dito maraming snow to pagka may snow na. Oh, let's go. Ah, wala na yung ano, Inday, oh. Yung falls.
It's gone.
Oh, wala na. Kasi winter na eh.
The water will be frozen.
Yeah, oh. What is this? What is this, Inday? Steam? Steam.
Stem.
Stem. Stem? Ah, dito yung bus stop mga paro. Maghintay na lang kami. Number 16. Kumindahan. Construction yan dyan, oh. Yun yung ano, subway. Ano? Pulis, Inday.
I wonder what the future is like in like 2030. There's gonna be flying spaceships.
Oh,
There's gonna be aliens working with us.
oh no.
And blah blah like that stuff
Yeah.
happening.
Ayun, ganda ng ano namin dito. Mga paro, view. Ano yung mga view namin dito.
Tay,
Bilisan mo, Inday, kasi malilito tayo.
Tay, I remember here
Yeah.
like when we're doing like the Terry Fox run.
Mhm.
We're here and
Oh, you go here? You went here?
yeah, we were like walking. I mean, running around the school like
Hmm.
into the neighborhood,
Mhm.
and the whole school was running, and and me and Sarah were holding hands,
Aha.
and we were like, and Sarah's like, if we run together, we'll make more energy. And I said,
Aha.
okay, but I'm not ready. And we run, and then when we go downhill, we're going super fast.
Yeah.
We almost tripped and
Okay.
but we were okay. We didn't trip.
Aha.
We almost tripped and fell.
Ganda, ganda ng ano, Inday. Look at the ano, Inday. Maano na.
The weeds, they're like dry now.
Oh, dry. Kasi ano na, cold. Mamamatay na yan eh.
Yeah.
Kailan yung school nila, Inday, sa kabila mga par. Ah, butterfly? Uli, bilisan mo. Umaya na.
I'm trying.
Kasi malilit na tayo.
Some beautiful things are still
Yeah.
there.
Ano yun, apple tree, Inday? Yan oh.
Apple tree.
Apple tree.
Apple tree. Maple tree. What? Maple tree.
Sarap maglakad-lakad ngayon mga par. Kasi wala nang snow. Kaya pupunta kami.
Guys, did you know?
Hmm.
Next week
Aha.
it's gonna snow.
Ayun na yung apple tree, Inday oh.
December. And
Oh,
guys,
yung apple
did you
tree to
know-
mga par na wala na.
Guys, and did you
Nanilaw
know
na.
a week
Hmm.
is 7 days.
Yan, mahaba to. Pwede kang mag-jogging dito hanggang dulo mga par. Doon. Ano nila. Ayun. Ano to? Apple? Wala na. Yan oh,
Ay.
apple.
It's gonna snow in 14 weeks.
Aha.
Now 7 plus 7 is 14
Wow.
because a week is 7 days and another week is 7. It's gonna be
So yan, 9:15 yung schedule namin, appointment namin kay Mr. Beat. Mabilis lang ito mga par, kakausapin lang. So, tignan natin. Then balitaan ko kayo mga par. Malapit na ako sa ano nila eh. Balitaan ko kayo nung nangyari ko. Ano sabi ng teacher ni Inday. So, yun. Pasok muna kami mga par. Right, Inday?
huh?
Pasok muna tayo sa school.
Okay, bye. See you later, guys.
Ayun. Inday, ano lang ah. Tayo lang walang car, Inday ah.
Guys, he told you there's like neighborhood.
Yeah, yun oh, neighborhood oh.
And my friends believe in the corner of the.
Open, Inday. Yun, may ano pa. Heaven, chocolate. Oh, 2 chocolate.
Ty, one for me, one for you.
Yeah, but unfortunately, I can't eat that.
Yeah, but when my cough is done, I can eat it.
Mm.
And no for Nanay, because there's no third donut.
Oh no. So you have to go
Thompson
there.
Park.
There. Go there.
Thompson Park.
Yeah, you have to go there again.
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't even notice.
What?
It's Mr. Reese.
Nakausap nga natin, no? Tapos na. And then, yun. Sabi doing great daw si Inday.
Have to practice read at night.
Ah, yeah.
So me and Tata are gonna read a new series of Dogman.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yay.
And Ty, Mr. V said he has Dogman books.
So, yun. Medyo, ano na kami, pauwi na kami mga parno. Pero dadaan muna kami ng, ng Thompson Park kasi magpi-play muna kami ni Inday. And then, magpa-vlog din tayo dyan. So, yan. Medyo mahaba na tong vlog mga parno. Siguro dito muna natin tatapusin natin yung vlog, no? Yung Thompson, next vlog na lang yan. Na goods. So, yan. Maraming salamat mga par. So, siguro dito muna namin tatapusin na yung vlog. Yan. To God be all the glory. And we'll see you on the next one.
Bye, Nana Bro.